everyone, today I'm going to share how to make a very good fish curry that is tasty and creamy. This is a classic South Indian style fish curry that I have been making at home. For this I'll be using vegetarian fish. You can use any type of vegetarian fish, the recipe is the same. I'm using fried fish fillet for this recipe. I'm going to slice them into a few pieces first. As you can see, they are already pre-fried, so there's no need for frying. Heat up about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. We will start by frying some onions, either sliced or chopped as you prefer. Then add some ginger and garlic that has been chopped finely. Also add some curry leaves for the aroma. We will saute this for 2 to 3 minutes until the onions are cooked and translucent. Then we will add some spices such as mustard seeds, about half a teaspoon should be enough. And also add fenugreek seeds. We need about 1 teaspoon for this curry. We need a little bit extra fenugreek seeds for a tasty curry. So we will continue to saute another 1 minute or so until the mustard seeds splatter. Now we will add 1 tomato that has been chopped. Continue to stir and let the tomatoes to cook. This should take about 1 to 2 minutes. Meanwhile, I will prepare some tamarind paste. Take about 1 tablespoon of tamarind with seeds and add some water to make it into a paste. Discard the seeds. And now I will pour the tamarind paste into the curry mixture. I'm adding curry powder here. I use about 3 teaspoons of all-purpose curry powder, which is suitable for vegetarian dishes. You may use specific curry powders such as fish curry powder or meat curry powder for this. It will taste just as good. And I'm also adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of salt. I will adjust the salt later on. I'm just adding a little at this level. Give it a good stir. If the curry paste is too dry, you may add some water. So I'm simmering this for about 5 minutes to let the curry powder cook nicely and there won't be any raw taste. And then I'm adding some coconut milk. This is 165 ml of canned coconut milk that is very thick and creamy. I like using this coconut milk now. And because the coconut milk is so creamy and thick, I'm going to add some water into the can, give it a rinse and pour back into the curry. Coconut milk is important to give a creamy taste to the curry. Look at how creamy it has become. And now I'm going to add the vegetarian fish. A good fish curry would need some vegetables such as lady's fingers or brinjal. I'm using lady's fingers here. Give it a good stir. And I'm covering it and letting it simmer for about 10 minutes at low heat. After 10 minutes, the curry is nicely boiling and the vegetarian fish and lady's fingers are cooked nicely. I will let it simmer for another 5 minutes to allow the curry to cook and become thicker. I can leave it uncovered at this stage. And finally, when the curry is almost ready, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of fennel powder for extra aroma. And now the curry is ready to serve. I will have this fish curry with rice today. You can also serve this nice thick creamy fish curry for flatbreads such as chapatis or parathas, also for roti canai. Look at how thick and creamy it is. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you.